Let me show you how utilizing Isolite makes bonding and cementation of your restorations faster, easier, and more efficient. Place the Isolite in the mouth. Close down gently for me. And isolation is achieved in about 3 seconds. We've already checked the fit, the contacts, the occlusion, and the aesthetics. So let's go ahead and bond and cement this. 10-second light cue. Typically we don't use cheek retractors in our office, but we're utilizing one today so that you can get a better view of our procedure. You know, this really is six-handed dentistry at its finest. With the Isolite aspirating and retracting, my dental assistant is mixing, loading the restorations, and handing me my instruments. Color looks good. Let's take this out. And that's the cementation in about 7 minutes with Isolite.